item manifest of the tools that I was expecting from this bid. Here it says that I'd receive 30 quantity the Stanley Irwin Black & Decker name branded tools that could be sold for roughly $20 per piece. So doing that calculation, then I was prepared to bid. But what I found in the package that I received, yes, they said that 5 power tools, and here they are. So we have and this name was not even on it. I'm not familiar with this name, Hyper Tough, but here we have a Hyper Tough variable speed jigsaw. Then we have a Hyper Tough, not the same brand. This is a detail sander. Then we have a Black & Decker cordless drill. Then another Black & Decker power drill, and another Hyper Tough cordless drill. In addition to these 5 power tools, then they said they would also have 25 hand tools. Looking at the price that was mentioned there, $20 as a retail price, then I was grossly disappointed to recognize that what they were speaking about was this drill bit set here, Black & Decker drill bit set. Then you had a Stanley pliers. Then you had this bit and driver set, 11-piece bit and driver set. Then we had 2 of these Maxcraft, whatever they be. Then you had 3 screwdrivers, and that is from Hyper Tough again. Then we had this 2 screwdrivers again, Hyper Tough screwdrivers. Then we had 2 cobalt drills. I never realized that drills are now hand tools, drill bits rather, not drills. Then you had this quick change drill set, drill bit set. Then we had some offset screwdrivers. We had 4 of those included. Then we had another screwdriver from Hyper Tough again, and a small one, Hyper Tough. Then you had the Stanley pliers here. Then we had another drill bit set. And we had this Hyper Tough wrench combination wrench set. We had the screwdrivers from Stanley, 2-pack one, and then this another 6-pack one, and then this Hyper Tough socket, well, ratchet and screwdriver bit set. So that is what comprised the 30 pieces of so-called brand name tools that I would have received that would be fetching a possible retail value of $20. Now these items here in no way could be sold for $20 per piece. So really I'm truly disappointed. There's no way you could get a drill bit, because when I count all of these pieces here, that is what amounts to 25. So this represents 1 piece of hand tool that they were referring to. Not in my wildest dream I would have imagined that. I thought they were going to be giving wrenches and, you know, the vice grips that were displayed in the pictures on the manifest. However, for the other 240 no brand tools that would be able to be sold for $10, then again further disappointment, because each of these pieces here represent 1 item. So here we had some utility knives. The utility knives, this a quantity of 24, and this was it. So I'm supposed to sell 1 of these for possibly $10. More utility knives. So this was in a box, and that was 24. Then we have another box underneath here that had another type of utility knife, another 24 again. So in all, I ended up with 48 utility knives. I'm supposed to sell those for $10 to recover my money. Then we had some pump pliers. Well, this I don't know about the strength and durability of these, but here we have them, and that we have, how many of those? Quantity 24, and there were 2 boxes of those, so we had 48 of those. Then we had 12 mallets, the mallets here, and then over here we have 36 safety cutter, more cutters again, and each of these is supposedly to be sold for $10. We had some other screwdrivers again, screwdrivers upon screwdrivers. So here we have 2 boxes of screwdrivers, 24 a piece. They have the set here. You have the star point and the flat point screwdriver, and again, even the Stanley in this is not being sold for that amount of money, but yet we have a no brand name that they expect to be sold for $10. Then we had some pliers, again some diagonal pliers. We had a box of those, and that quantity was 24 pieces of those again. And then I've never seen so many screwdrivers in my life. Another box of screwdrivers again, another type. These two star point, and again that box contained a quantity of 24 pieces. So this was the disappointment that I received as a package, and as I said earlier, then I would never be able to recover the amount of money that I've spent, not even a quarter of it. So I'm really disappointed with this, and therefore asking you to address it for me. Thank you.